Alright, so I'm about to unbox this RTX 3060 Ti, Zotac Gaming Twin Edge Edition. There's the back. It's just... Actually, I'll just cut one side. Maybe. Nice little pamphlet. This driver CD. No, manual. Some nice stickers and instructions. Oh, that's cool, I guess. Alright. And here is the card itself. Oh my gosh. This thing is beautiful. Takes one 8-pin PCIe power or a 2+6 one. This logo, I don't know if that lights up or not, but we're gonna find out. It's really nice. Alright, so this is obviously an old video. I recorded it in December of 2020. I've been debating for a while if I wanted to upload this video or not, and what I did was I was just walking around Micro Center, and I happened to see that they had just restocked the RTX 3060 Ti's, which, if you remember at the time, all of the 30 series cards were just non-existent in stores, so I decided on the spot that I was just gonna buy one. And this is what I upgraded from my GTX 970. So it was a really huge improvement in performance. It was a great card, honestly. It's the Zotac Gaming Edition, Zotac Edition, I don't know. But it was a great card. Cost me about 450 bucks at the time, which was not a bad price. Recorded this video just kind of quickly, just to try and record a video and see what that was like. Never ended up uploading the video until now, obviously, but I recorded it on my GoPro, just kind of shakily unboxed the whole thing and made some commentary. As you can tell, this is not like my highest quality video, but I figured I might as well upload it. It's been 2 years. I don't know, maybe just put it out there, see what happens, see if people like it. If not, I don't know. I just thought it'd be cool to upload this video after about 2 years, just finally do it, finally see what happens, and if it does well, great, if not, oh well. But this video for me is more of like a, I don't know, I guess a milestone, because when I made this video, I had about 100 subscribers, and I didn't think I would ever be able to do a lot of, I don't know, I didn't think I'd be very successful on YouTube. Of course now, I've done actually pretty well so far with YouTube. Just surpassed 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, by the way, to everyone that did subscribe. And honestly, feeling a lot more motivated to make YouTube videos, so I guess I just wanted to say thanks to everyone who supported me, and here's an old video I never really uploaded, so yeah, thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you next time.